Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can import files or data from different apps into money.com. It is very simple. If you are working with different apps and you like to add their data into money.com, one way is to do it manually, but it will take a lot of time. You can use a built-in feature in money.com to speed up this process, and you can do that by going on the right corner, top right, press your profile icon, and there is an option called import data. Press on it and it will give you a bunch of options. So you can import data from Excel sheets, you can import data from Google Sheets, you can import data from Trello, from Asana, from Basecamp, from Facebook ads, from Zendesk, from Jira, and from Jira Service Plus Data Center. So if you like to add data from Google Sheets, let's say, press it and you can click to browse, and this way you can choose any app and it will tell you how you can import data from that app, or it will give you the exact steps. So this is how you import data from different apps into money.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.